Welcome back to my channel Zoology at 180. Today is another video on the excretion topic, the mechanism of concentration of urine from NCERT 11th class. This is also called as the counter current mechanism. As you know, mammals excrete concentrated urine, and for the concentration of the urine, two important structures are involved: the U-shaped Henle's loop and the blood circulation in vasa recta. The Henle's loop has two limbs, descending and ascending, and the flow of filtrate in both the limbs is in opposite direction as seen in the diagram. This flow is called as counter current. Coming to the vasa recta also has two limbs, and the flow of blood in both the limbs is also in the opposite direction. The flow of the fluid in the Henle's loop and the flow of blood in vasa recta are again opposite to each other. As highlighted in the yellow marks, the Henle's loop and the vasa recta are in close proximity. This proximity between the renal fluid and the blood helps in the exchange of substances between the Henle's loop and vasa recta. This whole mechanism is called as the counter current mechanism, which helps to form the concentrated urine. Osmolarity plays a very important role here. The osmolarity in the beginning of the medulla is 300 and goes up to 1200 as we descend down. As the water is absorbed in the descending and salt are absorbed in the ascending, this osmolarity is maintained. Let's have a closer look of the Henle's loop and the vasa recta. The Henle's loop concentration increases as we go deeper into the medulla. As the blood flows in the vasa recta in opposite direction, the descending part of vasa recta collects the NaCl from the medullary interstitium and the concentration increases. Also, a small amount of urea is added to the inner medulla by the collecting duct. The ascending part of the vasa recta also releases a small amount of NaCl, which maintains a higher osmolarity in the inner medulla of 1200. As you can see, the initial 300 and the final 1200. That's why the urine is 4 times concentrated.